CI and IPDDC are organizing this seminar. It's more like a workshop with European Patent Office and European Business and Technology Center (EBTC) on searching green technologies. In the GPI, it's a Global Patent Index, is a database developed by European Patent Office, which is a free database. So basically, the participants here will learn how to search for the green technologies that are registered already in this particular database. It helps. So the composition of the participants here is from industry or institutes who are working on green technologies. Environment, putting it more, simple language, is something which is environmentally friendly. It could be renewable energy, or it could be, a material that is friendly to the environment, like plastic. Biodegradable plastic is an environmentally friendly material. So that way, anything related to green technologies or environment friendly technologies which are already developed and available for commercialization or transfer, whatever. So that is the objective of this particular workshop. I would say it is a workshop where we have an expert from Mr. Patrick from European Patent Office. He is going to teach the participants how to really look for these technologies in this particular database. And the participants that way will learn about information, will have the information about technologies that are available, who are the owners of those technologies, and if they are interested, they can even source them. So it's helping our country in that manner. See, whoever is registered with European Patent Office, like Mr. Patrick was explaining, that there are applications from all over the world. So every patent office is taking care of a particular region. So if the innovator could be anywhere. The innovator may like to protect his technology in a particular region. So he would go there and has to go to that particular patent office and protect it. Like if US wants to do some if United States has developed some particular product and they want to market it in India, they would like to protect it in India first. And further, they have to register, get a patent in India. So that way, and for that we have Indian Patent Office. Likewise, European Patent Office. So it need not be necessarily only from Europe. It could be anywhere in the world. But then these people have developed these free databases. We have paid databases also which do that, but then they are very expensive. So in order to encourage this technology transfer, they are offering these free databases developed by European Patent Office. So it's quite valuable, the good thing is it is free of cost. Otherwise, if someone has to search a database just to know what are the technologies available and they need to pay a lot, it makes no sense. Definitely, I think he would do that. He would do that because this is we are organizing a series of these programs. This is the first of its kind in India, and it's happening in Hyderabad, the first program. Day after tomorrow, we are doing it in Bangalore. Then they are going to Calcutta, and then Delhi. So that way, we are covering the entire country. I think that's very briefly about this.